Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's really nice to have you guys here, and we're going to learn something really fun today. So what we want to do today, we want to answer one question, and the question is it possible to burn iron? Can we burn metals? Do they actually burn? So what happens when you put your fork and your spoon on fire? What is actually happening? So that's a question that we want to answer today. But before we go into the experiment, so let's explain some things. So when you want to burn anything, you need oxygen, right? So you need oxygen to burn anything. So imagine that you want to burn a log of wood, like big one. So you don't take the log of wood in a vacuum. No, you bring the log of wood outside, right, where we have oxygen. Then you put fire in it, then it burns, right? That makes sense. But then people actually break the log of wood into pieces before burning. Why do they do that? Is there any science behind that? But when burning occurs, oxygen is reacting with the atoms of what you are burning. So if you have log of wood, all the atoms are tightly packed together. So when you burn it, there is no oxygen to go between them, to kind of make them burn. So you break them into pieces, so there is oxygen between them, so they are able to burn. So the more pieces you're able to cut them into, the more you burn stuff. So the experiment is now when we have our spoon, all the atoms are tightly packed together. So when you try to burn this will not burn because oxygen is not able to go between the metals of the spoon. So now, what if we are able to, maybe make this to be like a wool, to break it down. So that's what we're gonna do. So I have something in here, is iron wool. So now this iron wool is still iron, right? It's almost the same as this spoon, but we have it like it's like the atoms are tight, are loosely packed together, so that there is space between the atoms, so oxygen is able to go between them. So if we put this on fire and this is able to burn, then we can say 100% that iron actually burns. But it depends on the nature of the how tightly packed the atoms are. Okay, so let's get started. So I have like a very mini stove here, and then I'm gonna put my iron wool that is loosely packed, and there's space, so I will make sure that there's space for oxygen to go in through, so that the atoms can react with one another. So there you go. Okay, so then I have this to light a fire. So again, the question is it possible for iron to burn? All right, so let's try it out. Wow, did you see that? It's actually burning. It is burning. So it's confirmed iron actually burns. It depends on the nature of the material that you are trying to burn. So if you want to cook at home and you have iron and you have a way to make it like this, you can actually use iron to cook food. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. If you want more of this, to learn more, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share. I will see you guys in the next video.